how to fix TikTok message option easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it. And now go to the top here, you will find this force stop option. Click on it like this and then go into the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions right here. Go back and now click on the storage. Click on this option right here. It's called clear data and then click on clear cache. Go back again and now you have to do one last thing, which is go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then you have to go into the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert and enable it back again from here. Now you have to restart your phone, reopen TikTok. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to go into TikTok and update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.